Good morning, everyone. I'm grateful for another beautiful day. Let's get into the charts. Looking at the 1 hour chart, we see that price came down all the way down past the new day opening gap into the volume imbalance. And I kept this here because price can revisit this for like the next 3 or 4 days. So I'm going to leave that there. And I'm also going to bring a fib retracement. And that volume imbalance sits right above premium, which is the fib level, 50% above the fib level. So I'm expecting price to actually come up into this area and then head back down. The reason why I think price is going to head back down is because we see this fair value gap right here on the daily with a pool of liquidity sitting right there. So I believe that price is going to actually come down to this area. When? I'm not sure. If it's today, then that'd be great. But that is going to be my bias. My bias is shorts. I am short. Let's dig down into the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart, Asia actually ranged pretty well. Asia low that was not taken out, but Asia high was taken out. London high was taken out before market open. So that's the reason why I think price is going to head down before heading back up. Because overall, we are still in a market maker buy model. We are in a short-term, lower time frame market maker sell model. Okay, so this is the area of interest for me. If price does come up into this volume imbalance, then I'm going to look to short down to this pool of liquidity. After this pool of liquidity, I'm going to look to take price up. We have news at 10 o'clock. It's the U of M consumer sentiment, and I hate trading the U of M consumer sentiment days. For some reason, statistically, it's been the worst days for me to trade. So I am going to be very, 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 very patient today. All right. So let's see how we do. Oh, by the way, I am trading 5 funded accounts. All right. All right, Joe. I was in a call and I thought I was recording the first trade, but I didn't. I took a $600 loss because I was targeting this high and it completely reversed and I didn't have a stop loss. My fault. And my bias was short, so I should have just stuck to the short. Um, again, U of M days are probably my worst trading days, but I'm going to try to reverse that script. I am short one contract right now. So let's see if it comes down into my target down here. All right, so it looks like my bias was completely wrong, which is okay. It's okay to be wrong. I honestly thought that we were going to pull back from here, so I shorted. I actually first longed, took a loss, and then I tried to short, took a partial win, and then now I'm trying to long again. But um, yeah, price is the 1 hour inversed this fair value gap right here, this huge fair value gap. So I think we are headed up to the upside. I'm going to be looking for long trades now. I just don't know where. So just sit tight. We'll see what happens. All right. As y'all can see from that screenshot, I didn't do too well on my 5 funded accounts. I am down a lot. My original bias was incorrect in the morning. I should have been looking for longs, but it's okay. You know what? I learned some stuff about me today. Price action wasn't the best. I did rush into a couple trades that brought my uh, brought my loss down. There were times in the video where I did have a few wins that brought my loss back up to, maybe like $300 per account. And then I took a few trades that ended up in losses. Losing is part of the game. And right now, I'm trying to acknowledge the fact that I'm going to have a $968 loss day per account. It's hard. It's really hard for me to accept that fact and to just walk away. And normally I would most likely overtrade and try to win that back, revenge trade, FOMO in more, and then blow my accounts. I am gonna walk away from trading my funded accounts, and I am going to just take the weekend off. I'm not trading on Monday, and we'll just reconvene from there. Yeah, the rest of the video will show some other trades that I took. Probably not the best trades, but hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to join me on my treacherous journey. But hopefully it'll be a great one to 100K. And I'll catch y'all on Tuesday because I am not going to be trading on Monday. All right, peace.